Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to change language in OneNote. If you find this video helpful, then please consider liking and subscribing to the channel. It really helps us a lot. Okay, so let's dive in. Now click over here on top left corner on this file tab. Now click on bottom left corner on options. Okay, now head over to language right over here. Click on it. Now click on add a language and select whatever language you want to add. After selecting it, click on install. Click on OK and you will see a pop-up like this. It will take a few moments to install your language. When your language will be installed, you will see your language here. Just click on the language and select OK. After that, your OneNote will be displayed in the language you have selected. So that's it for the video. That's how you can add a new language in OneNote. Thanks for watching.